How to use LinkedIn for leads. Your LinkedIn profile is your first impression for potential customers. Fill out your summary and experience sections with important information. Use a high-quality profile and header image. Keep the tone professional and include keywords to optimize for search. Your profile is like an elevator pitch. Consistently post valuable content to strengthen your page and profile. Share news, blogs, and useful information. Include your insights and comments. Video has the highest conversion rate. Participate in group discussions and respond to comments. This builds relevance and trust. Use LinkedIn's Sales Navigator, a paid tool to identify leads by job title, company, and industry. This subscription has access to Lead Builder, Advanced Search, Saved Leads, Account Pages, and InMail. Be social, so join industry-relevant groups and engage with other professionals. Share updates and content to promote conversations. Listen to industry pain areas and challenges. Use this information to create hyper-targeted value propositions. Keep your connections relevant. Connect with people you already know, such as coworkers and peers. Use LinkedIn's search feature to find and connect with potential customers. Initiate conversations with personalized DMs. Mention specific aspects of their business or profile that caught your attention.